Quilo portable air conditioner, standing AC unit with dehumidifier and cooling fan for rooms up to 550 SQ. Ford, with easy-to-install window kit, QP112WK, 12,000 BTU, white black. Auto evaporating exhaust hose, no drip pans. No drainage. No hassle. Humidity is collected and automatically evaporated to the outdoors. Unit carries a 12,000 BTU, ASHRAE 128 standard, 6,500 BTU, DOE plus 2017 standard, cooling rooms up to 550 SQ. Feet soft touch controls and quiet sleep mode. The Quilo portable air conditioner keeps your bedroom, home or apartment cool and dry. 3 fan speeds, 24-hour timer, full-featured remote, plus a quiet 45 mAh output on sleep mode for disturbance-free nights. Simple installation and window kit included. Air conditioner is equipped with a flexible exhaust hose and a versatile window kit for quick installation. Able to expand to 49.6, it can be used horizontally or vertically to adapt to many window layouts. Built-in dehumidifier to combat dampness, removes up to 80 pints of moisture per day with continuous drain for long unattended use. Attachable drain tube is included. In climates with acute humidity, an internal tank collects the excess moisture. Easy maintenance and designed to rolled, smooth gliding wheels roll the air cooler from room to room. Long-lasting, easy-to-clean filter, protects unit from dust, hair and residue. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.